Welcome to Homednb. In the United States, mainly in Florida, hurricanes are the most popular storms that can cause unprecedented devastation, and homeowners look intently at home remodeling options to protect their homes from hurricane damage. At Home Design and Build, we have experienced professionals to help you make your home hurricane resistant with many smart renovation ideas. Basically, Home Design and Build is a trusted, efficient, collaborative platform for home renovation projects for homeowners and design and build firms. We only hire licensed, bonded, and insured firms with a good track record for quality work and fair pricing. We offer an escrow service that secures payments, so firms get paid based on agreed-upon milestones. So, if you live in a hurricane-prone area, you can schedule a consultation with Home Design and Build to know how we can help you protect your home from hurricane damage.